to the press and the media, thank you for being here this afternoon. And also, thank you, Direk Allen and Infinidad Entertainment. Thank you for inviting us. And my name is Abby Mercado. I am one of the artists of GMP Artists Agency, and I'm also from the World Championships of Performing Arts. And earlier on, Direk was saying na ayoko nang kumanta. And just a little backstory, totoo po yun, I already told my mom one night, sabi ko, ma, parang hindi ko passion masyado ang pagkanta. So sabi ko, can I stop singing? Kasi I'm under an artist management. And my mom happens to also be my manager. Kaya nagpaalam ako sa manager ko na sabi ko, I'll quit singing for now. Sabi ko, mas gusto ko mag-focus sa business and other things. Ayan, and sa pag-evangelize, you know, because I also own a small business. It's called Ladders to Heaven. We sell rosaries and other religious items, and also doon din po, nag-rosary din po kami every night at 9 p.m. So yun, sabi ko, gusto ko mag-focus na lang doon. And then, the following morning, right after I told my mom na ayaw ko na kumanta, tumawag si Direk kay Mama. And then she was presenting this concert. And then sabi niya, oh, Abby, ayaw mo ba talaga kumanta para kay Mama Mary ko? How can you say no to Mama Mary? Diba? So I really felt like God was still telling me na, no, I gave you this talent. Use it for me. But in a different way. So, yun po yung story kung bakit ako nandito ngayon at kung bakit ako part ng concert. And big thanks to Direk Allen for thinking of me, also for considering me. It's a great honor. And for Mama Mary talaga, I'm also grateful to be a part of this one-of-a-kind concert to honor our Blessed Mother, because I feel like we give her very little credit for what she has done for us. She is part of our salvation story, and nandito tayo ngayon dahil din po sa kanya. And this is, like Ate Oni said, just a small way to give back and to give her recognition for what she has done for us. And also, I wish that this concert will serve its purpose to evangelize, to teach more people how to pray the rosary, to see the beauty of our faith through our Blessed Mother, and to evangelize more young men and young women like myself as well. And for a very good benefit din po for the unwell and aged priests. And so, I hope na marami pong makapag-support ng concert na ito, because this will go down in history as one of the biggest ways to bring people back to the faith. And that's why I'm really blessed to be a part of this. Again, thank you po, Direk Allen.